Welcome, today I am with AKG Y50 headphones and I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode. So take a look. At the first we have to focus on the right headphone and you will find a few buttons right here. We have to click this one and take a look on the indicator. Let me just catch focus right here. Okay, so right now this indicator is blinking and it means that they are in the pairing mode. So right now we are able to find them. So when you refresh the list of the available devices, they will pop right here. And there it is. As you can see right now, we can just simply tap and pair them to our smartphone. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.